Friends, today our topic is 14 elements of PSM. We will discuss each element and OSHA's requirement. So let's start with the first element. The first element is employee participation. The employee participation clause required that the employees be involved in every aspect of the PSM programs at their respective work site, and they must also be represented at the meetings where PSM related issues are discussed. OSHA requires employee participation to be followed as written and documented. The second element is process safety information, PSI. All workers should be able to access and understand the technical data regarding the higher hazardous chemical related risks they face at the job or their workplace. The third element is process hazard analysis, PHA. Process hazard analysis requires that the engineers and maintenance leaders analyze the consequences of safety failures. They analyze these analyses must be conducted in teams, and OSHA requires that each team must include one person who is knowledgeable and experienced in the specific process hazard methodology being used. And these methodologies are like HERA, hazards identification and risk assessment, or what if analysis, these type of analysis. And the team leader must be experienced and knowledgeable. The fourth element is operating procedures. OSHA stated that the companies have plans for keeping everyone safe as they start backup after emergency shutdown. This means if you are going to start your processes, uh, there must be operating procedures for restarting your plant or restarting your process industry. So you must have operating procedures for startup. The fifth element is training. This stated that the workers who carry out processes involving highly hazardous chemicals need to be well trained, and their training should have been accomplished through a competent source. Mean the your staff and employees must be well trained, and their training must be provided through competent source. And OSHA requires that their training be well documented and recorded. Three things are stated here. The first is your staff must be trained, and their training must be arranged through competent sources. And the third is the training record must be well documented for reference. The sixth element is contractors. The employer shall inform contact employers of the knowing potential fire, explosion, or toxic release hazards related to the contractor's work or the processes. This means the contractor staff must be aware about the toxic release or explosion or fire at your processes and during work. The seventh element is pre-startup safety review. OSHA expects employers to perform pre-startup safety reviews through a check sheet for both new and modified facilities. This rule applies even if the procedural changes only affect a single component or process. Means you must have carry out a pre-startup safety review before first startup of your process or first startup after a modification in your process industry. And if this modification even carried out in a single component, then you also must have a PSSR. The eighth element is mechanical integrity. This ensure the integrity of your mechanical parts of your industry like pressure vessels, storage tanks, piping systems, or ventilation systems. The periodic documented inspections are required for several systems. uh, Mean there must be a periodic and documented inspection to be carried out through third parties and in-house as well for your pressure vessels, tanks, piping system and ventilation system. The ninth element is hot work permit. Every employer needs to issue permits to employees and contractors who weld or perform other higher temperature work near covered processes. They also need to train their personnel to post and file these permits when necessary. Hot work permit must be issued according to the OSHA's for any high temperature job, including welding jobs. And this your employees must be aware about hot work permit system and must record and document the work permits for any reference. The 10th element is management of change, MOC. Companies need to standard procedures for managing changes to process, chemicals, technology, equipment, and procedures. Mean there must be a procedures for any change in your technology or chemical process or your equipment or any procedural change. And these the following points must be considered during the change: the technical basis for the change, number 2, the impact of the change on worker safety and health, number 3, necessary modifications to operating procedures, number 4, the necessary time period for the change. Time period mean the change is for permanent basis or for temporary. And fifth one is authorization requirements for proposed change. 11th element is incident investigation. OSHA stated standard calls for investigations for all incidents, even major or minor, result highly hazardous chemical release. This element stated the employer must arrange or call the investigations for all incidents, major or minor incidents. Element number 12, emergency planning and response. This element mandates employers to create emergency plans for handling HHC releases. Means the employers must have an emergency plan to handle any emergency situation. Compliance audits. Employers shall certify that they have evaluated compliance with provisions of this section at least every 3 years to verify that the procedures and practices developed under the standards are adequate and are being followed. 2 points to be remembered: that these procedures are adequate and being followed properly. And for this purpose, the audit must be conducted in every 3 years. Last and 14th element is trade secrets. As we know, some companies attempted to protect proprietary information by keeping process details from their employees. To prevent this scenario and enhance worker safety, the uh, OSHA stated that the trade secrets gives employees the right to know processes that may affect their health and safety. Means the employers must share the technical information that affect the health and safety of workers. These information must not be keep as secret. This is the last and 14 element. Thank you for watching.